Alleviate concerns. To reduce worries or fears about something. He called to alleviate his parents' concerns about his safety. Impeccable manners. Perfect and polite behavior, being very polite and respectful. Despite the rude comments, she responded with impeccable manners. Meticulous attention. Very careful and detailed focus on something, giving careful, detailed, and thorough focus to something. He approached the task with meticulous attention to avoid any mistakes. Severe repercussions. Very serious consequences or results, serious negative consequences. She didn't realize the severe repercussions of her actions until it was too late. Widespread belief. A belief that many people have, something that many people believe or think is true. A widespread belief among scientists is that climate change is a serious issue. Compelling reason. A strong, convincing reason for doing something. There must be a compelling reason behind his sudden decision to quit the job. Justify actions. To explain or show why actions were correct. To explain why you did something, especially if it's being questioned. He couldn't justify his actions when he was caught lying. Perceive a threat. To see or feel that something is dangerous. She perceived a threat when she saw the stranger acting suspiciously near her house. Scrutinize details. To look at the small parts of something very carefully. He scrutinized the details of the car's engine before making the purchase. Hostile reaction. A negative or aggressive response to something or someone. The hostile reaction from the public forced the company to reconsider its plans. Baffling situation. A confusing or hard to understand situation. The strange behavior of the new neighbor led to a baffling situation in the community. Vulnerable position. A situation where someone or something is at risk or easily harmed, being in a risky or weak situation. She was in a vulnerable position with no one to turn to. Scrupulous honesty. Being very honest and careful about the truth. She always shows scrupulous honesty when telling the truth. Adverse effects. Negative or harmful results. The adverse effects of stress can impact your mental health. Credible evidence. Evidence that is believable or trustworthy. The journalist found credible evidence to support the story. Distinctive feature. A unique or special part of something. One distinctive feature of the building is its tall glass windows. Imperative need. A very important or urgent need, something that is extremely necessary or urgent. The company has an imperative need to improve its security measures. Substantial improvement. A large or noticeable improvement, significant or noticeable positive change. After months of training, he saw a substantial improvement in his speed. Astounding growth. Extremely surprising or impressive growth. The new business experienced astounding growth in just a few months. Discernible difference. A difference that can be clearly seen or noticed. There was no discernible difference between the two products. Perplexing problem. A problem that is very confusing or difficult to solve. He spent hours thinking about the perplexing problem but found no answer. Profound effect. A deep and significant impact on something or someone. The accident had a profound effect on her life. Volatile situation. A situation that can change suddenly and dangerously. The protest turned into a volatile situation when the police arrived. Onerous responsibility. A heavy or difficult duty to handle, a duty or task that is very difficult. He shouldered the onerous responsibility of running the family farm alone. Exemplary service. Excellent or perfect service. The hotel staff provided exemplary service throughout our stay. Tedious process. A long and boring task or process. Learning the new software is a tedious process, but it's necessary. Heinous act. A very bad or evil action. Everyone was horrified by the heinous act of violence. Nonchalant attitude. A calm, relaxed, or unconcerned attitude, a calm and relaxed way of behaving, showing little concern or worry. Despite the bad news, he kept a nonchalant attitude and smiled. Grim reality. A serious or harsh truth that is hard to accept. She had to face the grim reality of losing her home. Oblivious to the danger. Not aware of the danger. He was oblivious to the danger of walking alone at night in a risky area.